Okay. You don't have enough to buy that one. Here you go.
Oh, thank you. Hey, Kitty. Take me to harvest garlic.
Okay.
Wow! Wow, so much garlic. Let's go home.
Wait for me.
This frog is not as fat as I thought.
Huh.
We only use the frog's leg. Okay, done. I'll cut some onion into thin slices. The fried dough recipe for this frog is very simple. We need some all-purpose flour, a little paprika powder, add a little ground pepper for a more delicious dish. The smell of frog meat will be lessened with onions. Mix the above dry powder mixture well. The important character of the dish is here. Crushed Cheetos instead of fried dough. Pour the Cheetos into a bowl. So we have 1 bowl of dry flour mix, 1 bowl of beaten eggs, and 1 bowl of mashed Cheetos. Dip the frog meat into the mixes one at a time, going from left to right. Good job, Clover. Now, fry the frogs. After that, beat an egg to create a dry dough binder. In the oil spill. Keep a constant fire to make sure the fried frogs don't burn. My fried frog Cheetos look perfect. Just prepare the dipping sauce and the fried frog dish will be complete. Add all the ingredients, pickles, mayonnaise, mustard, parsley in a bowl and stir well. Into a bowl and stir well. Let's enjoy with me. So delicious and crispy. I will wash the snails thoroughly with rice water. Put rice in the bowl. Then pour water over the rice. Now we have rice water. Okay, done. Now we will boil the snails for the first time. Next, I will prepare the seasonings for the second boil. First, finely chop lemongrass. The snails need to be boiled for 30 minutes to eliminate all bacteria. As soon as the snails are done boiling, I'll put them on a dish. After that, chop the the galangal into small pieces. Continue by putting the snails in the pot. Add a bit of lime leaves, lemongrass, and galangal. This time, I'll use Coca-Cola to boil the snails instead of water. Next, I will make the dipping sauce for the snail dish. Take a bit of garlic. Add chili peppers. Stir and mix. Salt and sugar are essential. Crush, crush, and crush. Finally, squeeze some lime juice. Stir the seasonings together. Join me in eating, everyone. The snail dish is delicious, and the dipping sauce is excellent too. But there aren't many snails. I'll probably eat something else later.